अस्सलामुअलैकुम। वेलकम करते हैं आपका इस ब्रांड न्यू व्लॉग के अंदर। आज हम सेकंड ईयर क्लास की इंग्लिश बुक 2 पढ़ेंगे। ठीक हो गया। इसमें हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखते हैं और रीडिंग वगैरह देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नोट्स के बारे में देखते हैं। ठीक हो गया। पहले ट्रांसलेशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला है द डाइंग सन। क्या है भाई? द डाइंग सन। A few stars are known which are hardly bigger than the earth, but most of them so are large that hundreds of thousands of earth could be packed inside each and leave room to separate. Here and there we find an immense star large enough to contain millions and millions of Earth, and the total number of stars in the universe is probably something like the total number of grains of sand on oil on all the seashores of the world. Such in the littleness of our home in space when measured up against the total substance of the universe. The millions of stars are wandering about in space, a few from ground which journey in company, but most of them travel alone, and they travel through a universe so immense that is very rare, even indeed, for one star to come anywhere near to another occasion. In a scale in a scale model in which the stars are ships, the average ship will be well over a million miles from its nearest neighborhood. From this, it is easy to understand why a star seldom finds an other anywhere near it. We believe, however, that some 2000 million years ago, this were even Luke place and the other star wandering blindly through space happened to come near the sun. Just as the sun and moon rise tides on the earth, so this second star must have raised tides on the surface of the sun, but they would be very different from the little tides which the small mass of moon rise in the occasion. An immense tidal wave must have travelled over the surface of the sun as last forming a mountain so high that we can hardly imagine as the cause of the disturbance came near and nearer, the mountain would rise higher and higher, and before the second star began to move away again, its tide pull hard became so powerful that its mountain was torn piece and threw off small parts of itself into spaces. These small pieces have been going around the sun ever since. They are the plants, great all of the small of which our earth is one. The sun and the other stars we see in the sky all are extremely hot for light to exit on them. So also no doubt were the piece of the sun when they were first threw off. Gradually they became cooler until they leave very little near of their own left, their warmth coming almost entirely from the radiations which द सन पोर्स डाउन ऑन देम। ठीक हो गया, यहाँ पर हमारा चैप्टर पहला हाफ ख़त्म होता है। तो इंशाल्लाह बाकी नेक्स्ट किसी वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके बाय। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें।